Welcome to the University of Georgia training video series for small fruits. In this video, you will learn how to judge the optimum maturity of strawberries for harvest and how to identify the main quality attributes that are important for maximum post-harvest shelf life. In a typical strawberry field, plants have fruit at different growth or maturity stages. For example, there can be flowers, small green berries, and even fully ripe fruit on a single plant. A decision that the picker has to make when in a field with fruits at different stages of maturity is what is the most appropriate stage for a strawberry to be harvested. The most common and intuitive way to determine harvest maturity is using the color of the fruit's surface. Green strawberries start changing color, turning white initially. Following that, red pigmentation accumulates and starts covering the fruit partially, and eventually 100% of the surface of the fruit becomes red. We typically consider that a strawberry has reached its harvest maturity when a deep red color covers more than 75% of the fruit's surface for US grade number 1 and more than 50% for US grade number 2. Since strawberries do not continue ripening after harvest, it is advised that they should not be harvested before they are fully ripe and ready for consumption. However, we should take into account that mature strawberries lose firmness and glossiness with time, especially at warm temperatures. This leads to shorter shelf life. We would like to stress here an important aspect of Harvest Quality Index, which is uniformity of fruit maturity. When we harvest strawberries, it is imperative that the fruit in the clamshell or basket are of very similar maturities. This practice will ensure that there won't be significant taste, color, and appearance variations between strawberries. In the case that the maturity of the fruit is not standardized, we run the risk of reducing the shelf life of the clamshells or baskets because overripe berries are softer and more prone to decay. Strawberries, like all fruit, come in all shapes and sizes. It is important to have in mind that strawberry size is another important quality attribute, and uniformity of dimensions within a flat or a clamshell is a desirable trait. According to the USDA, the minimum diameter of a strawberry graded as US number 1 should not be smaller than 3/4 of an inch, while grade number 2 has a minimum diameter of 5/8 of an inch. One should know that both US grades tolerate up to 5% of off-sized or misshapen fruit within the same lot. In terms of quality, strawberries should have their caps attached and they should be firm, not overripe or underdeveloped, as well as free of mold and damage. Strawberries are very fragile, so they can easily suffer damages from mechanical compression during picking and packing, from insect bites, and discoloration due to diseases. The USDA also recommends that any lot of strawberries should have no more than 10% of damaged berries. Similarly, the USDA has a tolerance level of only 2 or 3% in decay incidence in a single strawberry lot for US number 1 and 2 grades respectively. Thank you for joining us in this session, and please subscribe to our channel at youtube.com/UGA Extension for more training material about strawberries and other fruits and vegetables.